Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna focus on swapping the radiators. We're still dealing with the dilemma for the oil dipstick, or the dipstick tube, not going into the oil pan. So we're gonna kind of save that for last. We're just gonna swap off the radiators, might as well. We already drained out all the coolant, so I'm just gonna tackle that right now. Should be fairly easy, and let's get to it. From what I know, it's 2 screws right here. 1, 2. I have to take this out. The coolant is already drained, and there is a drain plug over here, down here somewhere. There's that. You unscrew that, and all of it comes out. We also have to focus on this bottom hose over here, which we started loosening, just to get that disconnected, and also fluid might drop from there too. Not sure how much is going to drop off now since we already kind of drained all of it. And then we have to also detach the top one, and then we can go on with the rest of the stuff. So let's start getting to it. So it looks like that's out. The one on the bottom is out, and might be that we need to take this one out, the small holes, and then these 2 bolts, which are, there are 2 12s. Take out the radiator. There's 1 plug down here to the driver's side, so let's take that out. Okay, it's getting dark, but just wanted to let you guys know that it comes with its own hardware. Right here, those are the screws. So I'm putting the fans back on. Hopefully I can get this done before it gets really dark. And I believe, sure, I'm assuming this goes on the top. I'll figure it out. But yeah, let's finish putting these on. And this is how it looks all completed. It's pretty dark, but yeah, let's bring this to the front. So this is a big boy. It's going to be a really tight fit. You will have to like kind of finesse it in there because it is a tight fit. I'm trying to see what else I can tell you guys. It comes with 2 other bolts right here, or 2, I don't know what it is, but I'm trying to figure that out right now. See what that belongs to. But keep it there. I might order a new hose for this one. Not sure yet, and I might order new things for this because I want to have a clean look, and the ones I have are a little rusted. Where are they? So as you can see, they're a little beat. Might order new ones just to have that clean look. And yeah, I'll leave it like this for now. Call it a day, and I'll be back probably tomorrow with those new accessories, and I'll finalize everything. Thank you again. We'll be back in a few minutes. Well, in a few seconds. Okay guys, so we're back another day. We're finishing this off. So back to recap. We ordered these again. Although these are reusable, they have rust, so I ordered new ones just to keep a clean look. Ordered new bolts as well. So I found out what these go right here on the left hand side. There's a thing that topped it off. You unscrew it, and one of them goes in there to connect to the hose from the expansion tank. So let's put that here. that's all. We did it. Boom. I put the wrong one by accident. So I put the right one. It's the skinnier one, smaller one. So this one, I'm not sure where it goes, or even it goes. Assuming. Don't forget to plug in your fans. Plug that in. Everything looks good on this side. And I'm not clamping that one in because I ordered a new clamp for that one. Somebody for that one to go in. I probably want to order new hoses. Not sure yet. And we're back. So we were able to get our Subaru OEM pieces for the radiator, which was this. Only because it was rusted. And I got new bolts and a new clamp for the hose down there, which will have the incorrect clamp. So let's put those on real quick. It's fairly easy. I don't think I have the grommet has to come off. The grommet has to come off and replaced with the other one because the new ones don't come with the grommet. So let's do that real quick. Let me show you guys the difference. So that's that. Let's put that on. And this is how they look now. It was real easy just to pop them out from this side. I popped it out from this side, pressuring it out, and I just push it back in. That's it. Put it right here. Alright, so we had to replace this one. Hey guys, so I don't think the last video was recorded due to the GoPro dying once again. But we did finish off the whole radiator install and everything's set to go. We're gonna start burping the system and go from there. But thank you guys for tuning in and I'll see you in the next one.